My name is David Dowling. I'm the Manager of Data and Connectivity at Total Energy's H2 Gas Mobility. We are based in the Netherlands. We work on H2 and other clean or cleaner fuels for gas mobility. Digital transformation for us means looking at workflows. So we really sit down and look at how does everyone do their jobs and how can we digitalize it or improve the workflows. Initially, we tried to develop our own application internally for monitoring time series data. We had lots of problems with our own application. It wasn't able to meet our expectations. We contacted Siemens and we were one of the initial company to start with what's now called Insights Hub Monitor. It was a step change from the old SCADA type systems, and it offered a lot more capabilities in terms of being able to extract data out and play around with it, analyze it, do all sorts of different things with the data. Insights Hub has helped us improve the visibility of what's happening at our stations and also allows us to act faster to resolve issues at the fueling stations. It also allows us to look at how the stations are performing and predictively understand when we need to take maintenance before we have problems occurring, resulting in much shorter downtimes for our customers. The ability to remotely analyze the data and figure out what has caused the problems has saved somewhere between 40 and 60% on costs related to sending mechanics to solve problems locally, which is quite a significant cost saving for our customers. The initial use case is connect a station so that we can monitor the time series data. Now more complex use cases on analyzing the time series data, detecting complex issues when they occur or before they occur or earlier is now our aim. And I would say using our technical process expertise to help the stations optimize operations or reduce maintenance costs is really the focus going forwards now.